Today let's see how we can download WhatsApp status from your phone. WhatsApp status updates are perishable by nature. Hence, WhatsApp does not offer an official way to save these shares. Some users take a screenshot to save the image statuses, but how about the videos? Even the screenshots fail to keep the image in the same quality as it is on WhatsApp. So what is the best way to save the statuses? Let's find out. You can avoid the complexity and rely on a third-party app to save your friend's WhatsApp status. The app will automatically collect the statuses which you have seen and show them in an organized manner. Open Play Store on your Android phone and install Status Saver. You can also click on link below in the description and in the comment section. Allow the app to access photos, media and files on your device. Because that's how the app will read the storage to collect WhatsApp status images and videos. Select the images or videos which you want to save and tap on the save icon. Images or videos which you save will be stored to the internal storage of your phone. Open the image or video you want to download. And click on the plus button. Once you click, there will be multiple options such as repost, share and save. Click on save. That's it. You have just saved your friend's WhatsApp status or story. And it will be kept forever. All saved statuses will be accessible from gallery. Download and enjoy. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.